Hello everyone, welcome back. So for this week's video, it was time for me to do my hair. This footage is actually from a month ago. Yeah, anyways, it was time to do my hair. I did a relaxer. I do it like maybe once a year, not more than that. This is my hair freshly out of the shower. Obviously I didn't film it because for me it's just too stressful, so I was just like, you know, I'm not gonna film it. So this is just me after I washed it and everything. I am basically detangling my hair right now with a white tooth comb. Remember in my last Get Ready With Me, in one of my last one, I was talking about wanting to do a new hairstyle. Actually, the video is kind of a fail. You guys will see, it's not really a total fail, but it's just not what I imagine in my head. But anyways, my hair still looks great at the end, you know. Anyways, here I'm just making sure my hair is not too wet, so I'm just taking off the excess water, which is stepping on my towel on my hair. For blow drying, I just use like some kind of like dry oil. It's from Kérastase. It's their original one. It has a bit of argan oil. It has 4 different ones. I don't remember which one it has, but like it's really good. It's a dry oil, so it doesn't make your hair super greasy. I'm someone who doesn't put a lot of products in my hair. I probably should, but I just don't. I don't like the feeling of my hair being like feeling super greasy and all that. So I just put like the bare minimum in my hair. That's how I like my hair. Anyways, and after this, I am just going to blow dry it. I really like the length of my hair right now, but obviously I'm gonna cut it because it just takes so long to style after. Anyways, with the wig, it's just better. But right now, I'm really actually happy with my hair. You guys know I always wanted all my hair to be at the same length. So we're getting there. My leave out is definitely growing a lot. I actually like the length of my leave out, but you know, if it grows more, like it will grow more. I'm not really too fussy about it. I'm just saying right now the way it looks, I actually really like it. So I just want to mention that. Yeah, so this is just me like blow drying my hair. It's pretty quick here. I'm just taking off the excess water real quick with the blow dryer, making sure after that I'm gonna go in with a brush. So yeah, the reason why I called this video kind of a fail is just because I was ready to actually cut my hair up to like maybe my shoulders and like cut my leave out more into like a curtain bang kind of situation. But I realized, you know what, I'm not ready to cut my hair. I'm probably gonna cut it like right before I wear my wig again. So that's why it was kind of a fail. Also, I was trying to find some extensions to make my hair a bit more thicker for the hairstyle that I had in mind, but I couldn't find any in my stash of extensions. So I was just like, you know what, I'm not gonna buy hair just for like, because I know myself, I probably would have worn this style for like maybe a week, 2 weeks maybe, until next time I was gonna wash my hair. So I was like, you know what, I'm not ready to commit. So that's why I just I'm just leaving my hair alone. And here, yeah, I'm just blow drying my hair with my blow dryer and a Denman brush really quickly. Yeah, that's all I'm doing. So I just said, you know what, let me just work with what I have and let's forget the extensions, like the track extensions that I have. They were too long or too short, and the ones that were too long I didn't want to cut. So I was just like, you know what, like stop giving yourself a headache and let's just move on. So this is just me like making sure my hair is fully dried. I always try to make as many sections because sometimes the hair is dry but like my scalp is not dry. It takes a bit longer, so I just make sure that like I take smaller sections just to make sure everything is well dried. And yeah, that's all I'm doing really. I'm just blow drying my hair. That's it. So yeah, since now it's like the summer is here and everything, I was like, you know what, let me not wear the wig. It's gonna be too hot. So I'm just, like I said, I'm just working with what I have. And yeah, when I say commit to the wig, it's just like when the colder months arrive, I just wear the wig like almost like all the time, right? So this is what I mean by like I'm gonna wait until I wear the wig. Like you'll see in this video, I'm actually wearing my wig. It's just sometimes I wear it like for a few days and then take it off. And then like right now I don't have it on since I don't remember when. But you know what I'm trying to say. It's just sometimes you wear the wig for months and months at a time, and then here I'm just wearing it like sporadically. And yeah, so that's what I mean. Like I'm gonna wait until I wear it all the time before I try to cut my hair. I'm probably gonna film it for you guys because I every time I cut my hair I show you guys. So here, this is my hair fully blow dry. This is what it looks like. You guys can see like how my leave out and my bangs are up to my ears. I would like to like cut it just a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. So this is my hair. I did curl my leave out a little bit. I just did it with like a 1-inch curler, and then I just put pins to make it stick, and you guys will see the result at the end. For now, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy my makeup and my get ready with me, and I'll come back at the end to show you the final result with my hair.
up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
So yeah, this is me with my wig on. Like I said, I use a 1-inch barrel to do my curl at the top. This is how, and the bottom part is actually just with a wand. I think I did that hair like a month ago, whatever. So this footage is actually from last week. So you guys see like how like like for a month I was like struggling to find out what I wanted to do with my hair. So just like about a week ago, this is how it looks like when I take off the pin. The bag didn't just gave me a bit of volume, I guess, but my hair is freshly relaxed, so it doesn't really hold curl that well. And also, you guys know I don't put any products in my hair, so I wasn't about to put like some hairspray, but the front stayed pretty well all day. Well, the rest of the day, because I think here it's like maybe 3 in the afternoon, but whatever, that's not the answer. So yeah, I was just playing around. It was my first time, you know, I was just playing around with the hair and everything. I tried like a side part and see what it looked like. I wasn't really a big fan of it. I was just trying to like make it work. You guys gonna see me like, I think I fussed around with my hair for like about 10 minutes because I don't know, it was just so different. Usually I don't style my leave out. I never style my leave out. I just let it like sit on top of my wig and just let it do whatever it wants to do, because I don't put a lot of heat on my hair, and that's probably why it's been growing so much. And you guys see here, I went back and did a middle part. Let me know down in the comments which one you like better, by the way. I love the middle part. Obviously I'm just so used to it. This is how it looks like in the middle part. And yeah, you guys can see I was actually really happy. This is how it looked like after I finished styling the middle part. This is how it looks like from the sides and everything. Yeah, it was just a really different style for me. I know it's not a big change, but let me know how you guys like it. I was just like, you know what, let me try something a bit different, and this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.